most important question. We can have a revision class separately. And I'll give you the most important question. We will practice those questions in the class.
When are you going to start comparing quantities? We have it for exam.
Yes, ma'am. I have it for example. Ma'am, I have a really big problem with comparing quantities. My
Yes,
teacher, I was absent the day where the teacher taught the hardest concepts,
Hmm.
like interest, and how do we find the amount of interest in the amount of years? For example, a person he told that he's gonna pay his bill back after 20 years. So how much is gonna be the interest? So then there's the formula and those things. It's very and whatnot, and it's very confusing for me.
No worries. We will do that.
Ma'am, have you given some questions to solve?
No. I was just wondering which questions we have to give. Just a minute.
Ma'am, will we complete this chapter 8 today itself?
Last class we finished it.
Oh yeah, so can we start comparing quantities now? Finally.
Ma'am, I'm having my exam on 19th October, so I've shared my syllabus to Learnivio.
Yes, so comparing quantities is not coming.
No, ma'am, comparing quantities is not there. Data handling, symmetry, lines and angles, triangles and its properties, and simple equation is there. So I
Lucky,
need a
you don't
revision for those chapters.
Okay, let me just take it how long the symmetry is. Others will just finish symmetry and then we'll start comparing. Ibrahim,
The
when you have your exam?
symmetry,
Ma'am, I
the
have my
symmetry is really
exam on
short chapter.
October and
Sorry?
comparing I have my exam on October 5th, ma'am. I have comparing quantities in it, and I was not listening comparing quantities. I was
Oh,
absent on those days.
okay. No issues. We'll discuss that. We will finish that. Let me just check it how long
Ma'am,
symmetry will take.
my exam is gonna be in October only. Probably in 10th October. Probably in that time.
This symmetry is very easy chapter. I think in 1 or 1.5
Yeah,
class
it's
finish.
a really very short chapter.
Very short chapter. Yes.
Yeah, we also have to make very small concepts. And then the only thing, the only thing that is actually the hardest part, not in the hardest part in the sense. I mean, the only thing that's challenging in the chapter is to do what's it called, you know the box where they show the lines, the box, and then they will show how the lines go, and then you have to say how many centimeter square boxes are there. But there's only one problem. If the box is above half the line, then it's full. It's
Hmm.
considered full. And if it's below half the line, it's considered a zero. So most children, they think they think that it'll still be some, and they just write a different answer by a slight amount. That's why they get wrong. In
Ma'am,
that they usually.
I'm having doubts in simple equations and triangle and its properties.
Okay, so you can keep your doubt. I'll just try to solve that in the class. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's just do symmetry.
Ma'am, like for symmetry, we don't have any exercise questions. We just have to read the topics, like what is symmetry and all that. That's all
Ma'am,
we
what
have.
about comparing quantities, ma'am? What about the comparing
Yeah, next
quantities?
class we'll start comparing quantities.
Okay. Mama, what do we do in here?
Just a minute, I'll guide. Yeah, students, just allow me 1 minute.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So sorry, let's just start. I was just checking previous things for you. Okay. So whenever this chapter symmetry comes, right? So symmetry, I hope you know that, there are different ways to put the
Patterns.
symmetry down,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Very important thing that you have to learn in this chapter is this, which I'm sharing. You will note it down in your notebook. If somebody asks you that it's an equilateral triangle and how many symmetry it would be, right? So you should
Yes,
know
ma'am.
the exact figure. So let's just say this. So here you can see the line of symmetry, equilateral triangle. You can see there are three. 1, 2, 3. 3 lines of symmetry. This you should remember by heart. Now square, 4. This pentagon, 5. The hexagon, 6. So number of sides is equal to number of symmetries. Right? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
You people can write down this in your notebook. Just write the chapter symmetry. Okay, and these are the number of symmetries, the lines of symmetries.
Oh, the line of symmetry is where is in a shape where the sides are equal, right? Okay. Oh. Ma'am, but like I feel there are more lines of symmetry.
No, this is just an example.
Can there be more lines of symmetry, like more than the number of sides? No, right?
No.
Only for really special shapes, the more number of sides it has, then it could have less areas of symmetry.
Correct.
For example, like if it's asymmetrical itself, it'll only have a symmetry in between that point of where the incorrection is there, right?
Correct.
So we just split the incorrection in half and take the rest.
Yes.
Ma'am, completed.
Done? Done, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now over here you have to, these are the punched ones. So you have to find it how many holes would be there. Like let's just say in this case, the first one over here. So what do you think? You can write it, you can make it like this. One symmetry is possible, then only the holes would be possible, right?
Yes.
And any other way to do that, you will write it and you will find it how many symmetries are possible to maintain the holes.
So the second one is not possible, right?
Sorry, the second one,
Say
of course,
the
it is possible.
Only one. Only one.
Yes,
Only
it
the
is
second
possible.
one is. Only
The
the
second
second
one is
one is.
It is possible.
the second one is also possible. Like how?
Yes, think about it. You
Because
can
it
write
punches
it,
through.
huh?
Because it punches through that one. Obviously.
Oh. Okay.
Ma'am, but it doesn't punch through them.
You don't through them, but it's like they should be on the equal.
Ma'am, I don't understand, ma'am.
The both
It
holes should
doesn't.
be like one hole should be this side and one hole should be this side.
How? I don't understand. Mama, can you explain more?
Uh, like for example, how do we do that?
The line of symmetry
Maybe
doesn't make
just
sense.
okay. For example, you can see this page, right?
Yes, ma'am.
If you will hole mark it here, so automatically the hole will come this side as well, right? Both the side. If you will do it, you will put a hole here. Then if you will open it, it will be on both the sides. Let's just say I made a hole here, right? Now you can see if I made a hole here, right? You can see the hole is on both the side. If you can see the holes.
Oh, so that's the logic
Yes.
between
And let's just
symmetry.
say if this is the
We
paper.
don't have to. We don't have to. We have to make it in that form itself.
Yes. Let's just say if this is a paper, you fold it like this. So if you will make a hole here, automatically you can see both the holes, this side also and this side also. When you open the paper, both the side and the hole is. Right?
I understand, ma'am.
Huh. Yeah, students just do this and just allow me one. Done, students?
Ma'am, just a minute.
Oh,
Ma'am, done.
I'm done. Good evening, ma'am.
evening.
I'm sorry for joining late. We went out, so we just reached like 5-10 minutes ago.
No problem, no problem. We just started symmetry.
Yes, ma'am.
So you know symmetry?
We did not do it in our school.
Okay, no worries. I'll teach you. So basically, symmetry is like, let's just say, how many symmetry should be the like how many lines should be there so that it divides it into two equal parts. So let's just say I made one symmetry here, so two equal part, right? In this case, only one symmetry is possible. In this case, you have to find how many symmetries are possible.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. So there can be more than one symmetries also,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
Okay. Done, ma'am.
Everybody has finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can we discuss the answers if we're
Yes.
going to?
Okay. So how many you think would be there?
The lines of symmetry. Mm, I guess we have to do it from the center.
Yes. So the
Like
third one.
always like this. Mom like this. Yeah.
Here we have to just find the mirror image, right?
Yes, the number of symmetries.
So yeah, it's pretty simple.
Hmm.
Same for D. Exactly same for D.
Yes. So here also it's only possible to have one line. In this case, you can have like this or you can have like
Two
this,
lines.
right?
Lines, yes, ma'am.
But not diagonally. Diagonally is not possible.
Yes. So over here in this case, you can divide
In
it
this
like this,
yeah.
but it will be half and half.
Yes.
Yes,
But the middle center point, yeah. The middle center point. That's the thing.
Yes.
But it's
In this
still
case, one,
it's
and in this case also one.
one.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
they both look like equilateral triangles, but they aren't.
Hmm.
So we don't have
Okay.
three.
Now the same. Here you have to find the symmetry, and here you have to find where would be the next hole.
Where would be the next what, ma'am?
Hole. Let's just say in this
Oh,
hole,
okay.
the next hole.
Yeah, I understand. I understand, ma'am, what you mean. Like, we have to take the mirror image, technically. Because symmetry is all about mirror images.
Yes.
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, then
Except I have a small doubt for the first question.
Huh.
I'm not so sure if my answer is correct.
For the first one.
Yeah. It's just down the center, like this, right? Because, ma'am, I feel like it should be in a different way because I thought that the dots have to be like in a mirror image, but they technically are because the halves of the dots are there.
Halves of the dots should be there. So in case you go for the halves, then only one is possible.
Yes.
For the second question, we have to find out where the second dot would be.
Yes.
So, like for the B1, like there's a dots line, so we have to put the dot there. Okay.
Yeah, diagonally. Because this time it's not a square, and this time
Ma'am,
the
are we
dots are
discussing the
not diagonal.
answers? Are we discussing the answers?
No.
Technically,
I mean,
yeah.
yes. So here you can do it like this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Second,
but we
I'll
already
wait for
discussed
1
all
minute.
the answers now. Ma'am, we discussed all the answers.
Yeah, for second question, I'll just wait for 1 minute, then we will discuss the answer.
No, ma'am, we already discussed all the answers almost.
No, this one.
That's what
Second
I'm saying.
question.
Oh, yeah, these ones. Okay. It's hard to explain how we want to try to like say it. Like, for example, I'm going to say for the C one, oh, it's going to be over there. Like, you can't say it properly.
Done?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Yes, ma'am.
For this one hole here,
Yes, ma'am, done.
this
Yes,
one,
ma'am, done.
Above.
Yes,
So the
ma'am.
holes are parallel to each other.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a perfect word for explaining it. They're completely parallel.
Yes.
The
Now
symmetry
you
chapter
have
is
to draw
the
the
very
shape.
easiest chapter.
Okay? Yes. You have to draw.
Ma'am, do we even have to learn for this chapter?
Yes.
No, ma'am, we don't need to.
Sorry, I didn't get the question.
Ma'am, we don't need to study for this chapter. It's so simple. Symmetry and data handling are like the stress relievers for us.
Yeah, basically.
Imagine if we had exponential powers instead of that. So terrifying.
So, ma'am, here we have to draw the half of the symmetry.
Okay. You have to draw this half of the remaining part.
We used to have activities like this in school to do this thing. Ma'am, the measure of the symmetry line towards the line on the end, that much measure we have to keep away from the curve, right?
Yes.
But for circle, it's different. We just put the compass needle in the center and put it at the end of the arc, and then we draw it then, right?
Correct.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we discuss?
Everybody has finished?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, a circle is the most symmetrical object, right?
Yeah, the n number of there are there. Okay, this
It
I
has the
think
maximum number of symmetries.
yes. I think everybody can make it, right? It's very easy.
Yes, ma'am. No, but in exam, we need 100% accuracy. So we rely on the rulers completely. And compasses as well.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I've also learned that there's actually a method to draw ovals completely properly. But I don't know how they draw it. Like, do they put the compass like this and then they make the compass longer while they're drawing it? That's what I don't
Put
understand.
in the center and then draw it. Like let's just see, for example, this is a circle. Half circle. So you will put a compass here for the remaining. Like that. Okay, here you go, students. Read the first one and then here.
Okay, the following solution. Ma'am, the question 4, we only have to do the identify multiple lines of symmetry, right?
Hmm.
That one, right? Okay. Ma'am, I got the answers.
Let us wait for others.
Then, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, everybody?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, I guess.
Okay, let's just discuss it then. Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, can I do the first one?
Okay. Tell me the first.
Ma'am, there are 3 lines of symmetry in the first one, as there is an equilateral triangle, as well as the circles are placed according to the equilateral triangle symmetry. Thus, it has 3 lines of symmetry.
Okay, next one, Basim.
Ma'am, can you tell where's the third line of like symmetry? Where will it?
So it goes like this: 1, 2, and 3.
3. Oh, okay, ma'am.
Yeah, Basim, how many? Here.
Ma'am, that one comes in the middle
Hmm.
and the other comes as a half with the center.
Yes, one is here and one is here. Okay. Shreya, what about the third one?
Ma'am, there's one which goes like through the triangle, like in the between. Yes, ma'am, and the
You
third
can
one
just tell me the number.
3.
Mariam, D1.
Ma'am, the D1, we will just put a line at the across, like at the side, from the corner to corner. Yeah.
So 2. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So diagonal lines. Oh, so the more the sides of a shape, the more what's it called? It is, right? So that's why curved shapes That's why curved shape like a circle, which is completely symmetrical, like a pentagon, it'll have infinite symmetrical lines because it's both symmetrical and has infinite and like and it doesn't have any sides. It just has a big curve,
Yes.
which acts like an infinite number of sides. Oh, this one is much longer. Yeah, just ma'am got all the answers.
And
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we discuss the answers like if everyone's done?
everybody has finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we just discuss? Because I
First
guess
one is
everyone
Ryan.
completed. Ma'am, for the first one.
Hmm.
Ma'am, since it's a square, it's obviously going to be maximum 4.
Correct. Next year,
Ma'am, the one only in the middle.
F1.
Ma'am, one only in the middle.
Yes, correct. Next, Basim.
Ma'am, 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Next one, Mariam.
Ma'am, 2.
How?
Last one.
No, ma'am, no, ma'am, no, ma'am. The third
4.
one, right?
4.
Last.
Oh, last one, 4.
6.
Oh, sorry.
1, 2,
1,
3.
2,
3,
3, 4,
Oh
5.
yeah, that.
Oh,
They
yeah.
act as sides. They act as sides. They act as sides.
Yeah.
Because the point where it goes below the below that point, that's no, that's considered as the corner. So we just consider that as the corner. Thus, we get many of them.
Okay.
Oh,
Now
that
this
was
is very important. Just try it once and then I'll tell you the answers for all of them.
ma'am. Can you make us answer the easiest ones?
Hmm?
Can you make us answer the easiest ones?
I
For
think
example, equilateral triangle, and then isosceles triangle or rhombus, like those ones. Can you let us do those?
let's see.
Okay. Like about 6 of them are easy. The rest I feel they look hard. I don't even know their names. Mama, I have a question. A rectangle only has two lines of symmetry, right?
Yes.
Oh, I thought it could be four because when you check it diagonally and you flip the other side upside down, they're like they're symmetrical. So I thought if we do it like that, then it'll be fine. It's exactly like a kite. It looks like a kite. Like the line of symmetry is like the center of the kite, the center line of the kite.
Ma'am, can like a few of these shapes have like zero lines of symmetry also?
Sorry, Miriam,
Yes,
please
it's
repeat.
like it technically needs the polygon to have each side to have one specific thing different from the other one. For example, if it's a six-sided polygon, then what we have to do is in each every side we have to put different types of accessories and just cancel and then just draw like in a curved manner, and then we get a completely asymmetrical object. It's pretty possible.
Ma'am, I was asking that if are we allowed like is it possible that some of these shape have only zero lines of symmetry?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Yeah. Ma'am, can you give us an example? I want to like it should have, but it should like is it necessary like that if
For
if
example,
it
this is the shape,
has
right?
yes,
So
it's
how would
not
you?
symmetrical.
If
But
it's
what
not
I mean is in straight lines only. In straight lines only.
in straight line also, let's just say this is like let's just say this is 6. You cannot divide 6, right?
No, ma'am,
How would you divide it?
we can't.
No,
No way.
not possible. Like so, that's why there would be some figures where there is no symmetry.
Ma'am, parallelogram is like the shape which has two opposite sides are parallel, right?
So,
Ma'am,
yeah,
you're
can you please
mute.
repeat?
Okay.
Ashya, you had some question. Can you please repeat once? Your voice broke.
Ma'am, a parallelogram has like two parallel sides, right?
Yes.
Only two.
Huh.
Ma'am, can you show how a parallelogram is? Parallelogram. Can you show it? Can you draw it, if possible? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Ibrahim.
Ma'am, can you draw a parallelogram?
Oh,
Parallelogram.
parallelogram. Yes. Tell me.
Can you draw it? Because I don't know how it looks like.
It looked like this.
Oh, it's kind of like a rhombus, but not completely.
Yes. Kind of parallel, right? So it's
What about a quadrilateral? All the shapes that have four sides. That's it, right? So we'll just do the average of a rectangle and a square and we get the answer.
kind of, but it's only two sides are parallel, so you have to be careful. I'll just wait for 1 minute
For
and we
the
will discuss that.
quadrilateral, for the quadrilaterals. Because quadrilaterals are any four-sided polygons, right? There are two four-sided polygons, rectangle and square. Square has line symmetry of 4. A rectangle has 2. Average of 4 and 2 is 3. So a quadrilateral is going to be have 3 lines of symmetry, approx like average, right?
So basically,
Oh, so we can write
it
like that.
depends on the
Yeah,
Let's
like
quickly
I
discuss the answers.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in equilateral triangle, what do you think?
3.
Ma'am, it's 3. It's 3.
Okay. Next.
1.
Isosceles is 1.
Isosceles.
1.
Isosceles 1. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the next one, scalene.
Scaling
Zero.
is 1.
Zero.
No,
Zero.
Zero.
0. Scalene, all the
Oh,
sides are unequal, so how would you?
oh yeah, 0. Okay.
Scalene.
A square is gonna be 4.
4.
Rectangle 2.
2.
2.
Rhombus
Two.
4. Rhombus 2.
Yes.
Parallelogram.
Parallelogram 2.
Parallelogram.
Parallelogram.
Ma'am, 0. Parallelogram is 0.
The parallel sides are equal, right? So how would you?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
it's not similar from a rhombus actually,
Yes,
because
exactly.
rhombus
Parallel
what
sides.
horizontally rhombus is it's like almost like a rhombus, but when you do it like from this line, it is parallel, but for this it's not.
Next.
Ma'am, a quadrilateral 3,
Like it can vary upon the shape. Like it can vary.
Next.
but
It
average
has
is
no.
okay.
Quadrilateral also 0.
Ma'am, it can
How?
like vary sometimes.
Yes. So you don't know which one, right? So that's why 0.
Yes, 0.
Oh, okay. A regular
7.
hexagon is 8. 8.
And circle has infinite. Hexagon
Infinite.
has 6.
6, right? Yeah.
Hexa is 6,
Yeah.
right? So 6.
Wait, hexa is 6. Octagon
is-
is
Okay, I think most of the